Guys, what is up? What is good? We're back on the channel. We're back on cryptocurrency theory, and we're back not prepared. And we're going to fix that right now. So guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. That way you're getting all the updates on crypto. You know, some of this stuff might be relevant in your life. Some of it might not. But either way, we're trying to cover it in a way that you can actually understand what is going on. And again, guys, we're not here to give you financial advice, but we are here to kind of see what unfolds in this stuff and see potential opportunities. Because, guys, there's been a lot of opportunities in crypto, you know, over the last decade, right? You know, and soon enough, we'll be at 20 years, guys. I mean, we're really coming up to a significant milestone where, like, we're going to start realizing what this crypto stuff really is, guys. So we kind of are going to be looking at some altcoins today, guys. You know, I'm going to be doing a deep dive into some different altcoins that are, you know, going to require me to do a little bit of legwork on some of this stuff. But guys, if you've looked at your bag recently, you've noticed that your bag's doing pretty good, right? Your wallet's doing pretty good. And a lot of these prices are actually significantly down. You know, Terra Luna is now down to, Solana is down to $83. And basically, you know, we're looking at this market as an overall crypto market. We're not looking at one little analytical data point. We're looking at a variety of different data points suggesting a variety of the same thing. So what do I mean by this, guys? So a lot of the times when we see these altcoin projects get hyped, that is because the founders are dumping the bag, guys, okay? They are dumping the bag on you, and that is exactly what the whole idea is with this stuff, is they want to be able to dump their bag, they want to be able to get profits, and that's exactly what they're doing. So every time you see fucking the Solana founder, whatever his fucking name is, come up on your YouTube under the paid sponsorship ad, just know that when they are dumping this price, this is a centralized group of people that are basically dumping their bag on you. And this has happened to a variety of different proof of stake coins. We're not going to analyze too much on that because I want to give you some of the upside. There's still upside potential on Solana. There's still upside potential on XRP. There's still upside potential on Cardano. But just realize that the dev team is dumping their bag. Okay, that is what is happening. It is not the retail traders trying to get out. They just got in. So looking at some of these altcoins, guys, we're seeing upside potential. You know, you'll hear a lot of negative stuff about coins like Dogecoin. You know, it's, you know, it doesn't have good tokenomics. But guys, this couldn't be farther from the truth on these top 100 coins. I cannot stress this enough that once this altcoin market gets going, it's going to be absolutely insane. It's going to be like something we've never seen before because it's never happened to this magnitude. We've never been able to see the shift in between altcoins and Bitcoin and Ethereum trading pairs as much as we had now. And it's basically because we can go back and we can look on the timestamp of how long it took for these prices to achieve this volatility. And we can kind of calculate in our head what could be the ultimate, or what could be the amount of volatility going into the future that could cause price increase on a variety of these coins for people that have been holding for quite a few years at this point. I mean, I've been holding some of these altcoins, guys, you know, for a while, and that is going to be a significant play out with some of these altcoins because these people are going to benefit greatly from this altcoin push. And then we can achieve even a higher high on some of the broader crypto markets into 2025. But guys, there's no guarantee that 2025 is going to be the year. There's no guarantee that this is going to be the year. But you know what we can guarantee? That these fucking prices are getting volatile. They are starting to kind of raise up in price where we're seeing significant crashes in some coins. But then we're looking at other market caps of other coins and we're like, well, we're not doing too bad. You know, we're not doing too bad on these coins because even though the market's coming down 20%, we're really not falling but like 5 to 10% on some of these coins. Litecoin being one of these, Bitcoin Cash being one of these. And we're seeing increased volatility, guys, as the market dumps hundreds of billions of dollars, literally over $100 billion over the last couple of weeks. We've been coming down from 1.77 trillion to 1.59 trillion, guys. So we've shed we have shed probably 200-300 billion volatility spread on a lot of this crypto market, and it's not affecting the altcoins in a negative way as much as we think. At least some of the altcoins. Some of the altcoins, obviously, the volatility has been on the upside here in the upcoming months. So now that the market is shedding billions of dollars, we're seeing a increased volatility on the downside. exactly is what we're seeing. And we're seeing this play out with a lot of coins, guys. And a lot of these coins are actually up still in price. They're actually, even though they're down for the week, they're actually up in price significantly from, potential lows that might be new lows. These like very well could be last visiting lows on these altcoins, simply because we've been seeing these altcoins volatility increase, I would say, for the last 6 to 9 months. I would say for the last 6 to 9 months, we've seen a significant increase in volatility among these altcoins that are actually pushing the prices up. But we're seeing significant downturns for people that are jumping in as these prices are going up. I mean, we're almost talking like complete wipeout gains from the overall crypto market taking positions if you're going into a position today, right? Like if you come into a position right this second on some of these coins that have gone up on the volatility on the upside, they are the first to dip on the downside and pretty much taking out any positions that people are accumulating as they're coming into this. So that's why a little on this channel, guys, we're looking at this stuff, but we're also taking a step back and saying, where can we find opportunity for coins that might not have the volatility of the downside risk assumed anymore? There might not be any downside risk assumed on some of these altcoins, simply because if you look at them, if you look at these altcoins like Zcash, if you look like Dash, the down shifts in the overall broad crypto market is not affecting the same downshift volatility that you're seeing on these same altcoins like Zcash, Dash. You are not seeing the downside volatility. You're seeing more sideways action as the market edges down. I mean, we are seeing a significant, $200 billion decrease in the crypto market over the last, 2 weeks. And, these altcoins that have dropped before that period are not dropping anymore as major altcoins are actually edging down with this dip. So these coins that are not edging down with this dip, that are running sideways, these are coins that we're looking at on the channel, and these are coins that we're taking note to. At least I'm taking note to. We're watching Litecoin, we're watching Bitcoin Cash, we're watching Tron, we're watching Monero, we're watching Stellar Lumens, we're watching SHIB. We're watching, obviously, BTC and ETH. We're watching these two markets kind of dominate and pass this volatility back and forth, guys. And honestly, I would say that you're going to see this increase. I would say that you're going to see increased volatility on these altcoins, but also I would say we're going to look at this Dash, or not Dash, Neo is down under $11. We were edging up to $13 just the other day. And now, like, some of these coins are absolutely, edging down with the market, EOS. But some of them are not. Like, I mean, if we look at Litecoin, like, we're still at like almost $70, I think. Where's Litecoin on here? We just saw it. But yeah, we're at $67. So, I mean, we're not going down too dramatically on some of these coins. I mean, 7% is not good for the weekly gain. We were up to 290 a few weeks ago. But what I'm saying is the decreased volatility is not edging up, or not pairing up with the overall downshift in the market. And the coins that you are seeing dump really, really hard with this downshift of the market of 200 billion, those are going to be the coins that were really, really going up volatility wise. And like, this is obviously good, guys, because we're seeing increased volatility, which means increased potential positions to the upside. Like, that is kind of what we're betting on here. So we're looking at big jumps up, sharp decrease. We're seeing huge jumps up, sideways action, decrease. So I would say in the altcoin market, guys, expect there to be, expect to assume that there's going to be a lot. Like, look, $70 on Bitcoin SV. So I mean, we're going to be following this stuff hardcore on the channel, guys. 25% down on Bonk. Like, this token was just like up big time. So we are seeing a massive slowdown in market cap, on decrease in market cap. But look at this. Coins like NIM are up 23% in the last week. So gas, staying steady. So this is the exact stuff we're following on the channel, guys. And it might just be, nothing, but I would say that it likely is something, guys. And that's why we're seeing this kind of play out. So I'm looking for positions, guys. We're looking at some of these positions on here to take right now while the market is in this kind of circumstance where there might not be a lot more downside risk assumed in some of these projects. So, all right, guys, that's all we got right here in the stream. So let me know, drop it in the comments. Let me know what you guys are holding. If you think some of these coins that we're looking at on the channel are going to be potentially running out of downside risk. Let's just say running out of, any assumable risk on the downside. Yeah. All right, guys, we'll catch you later.